Hey guys, welcome back. Today's quick tip is about your radiator support air deflector, and this is installed on all Panther cars from 1998 to 2011. Crown Vic, Grand Marquis, Lincoln Town Car, Marauder, P7B, P7B. So if yours is like mine, it's probably all bent up or maybe even broken or missing. So I went online looking for them, and the cheapest I could find them was around $15. But the shipping was $30. So then I went over to the official Ford Parts website and put in my local dealership, and sure enough they had one in stock for $23.58. And don't forget to print your 15% off coupon from Costco. You just got to enter your member number. So that saved me $3.54. So I've got 2 hot dog and soda lunches coming. So what is this thing and what does it do? Well, from looking at it, I would say it has at least 2 jobs. And this is how it would be installed if the car is pointing this way. So you can see there's a little lowered lip right here, and what this does is it directs airflow up into the radiator, transmission cooler, oil cooler, and the air conditioning condenser. And on this side you can see it has another angled flap, and what that's for is your lower radiator hose sits right here. So when you're driving and if you hit something or you hit any debris, it won't puncture your lower radiator hose. So looking at my old one, you can see that I wasn't getting any airflow into the radiator, but thank goodness it was still working to protect my lower radiator hose. But this thing was just an eyesore. Every time I would get under the car, I'd have to look at it. So if you've got a deflector like that, might be time to get one before they run out. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.